Lila was a tiny red ladybug with shiny black spots. She lived under a big green leaf. Lila loved her home and never wanted to leave. One sunny morning, a strong wind blew through the garden. Lila was playing on a flower when the wind lifted her into the air. Lila looked around. She didn't know this place. She felt small and scared. "How will I get home?" she whispered. An ant came. "Hello," said. "You look sad." "I'm lost," said Lila. "Can you help me find my garden?" The ant smiled kindly. "Follow the path to the tall dandelion." Maybe someone there can help. Lila flew to the dandelion and met a butterfly. "I know the garden you mean," said the butterfly, "but it's far." "You must fly over the big pond," Lila gulped. She had never flown that far before. Lila sat on a petal thinking, "What if I fall? What if I get lost again?" But she remembered her family. "I have to try," she said bravely. Lila took a deep breath, spread her tiny wings, and flew. The wind was strong, but she kept going. "I can do this," she said. Dark clouds rolled in. Raindrops began to fall. Just when she thought she couldn't go on, she saw a lily pad and landed safely. When the rain stopped, the sun came out. A rainbow shone across the sky. Lila smiled. "If I follow the rainbow, maybe I'll find home." She flew along its bright colors. Soon, Lila saw her garden below. Her family cheered, "Lila, you're back!" She told them about her adventure and how she learned to be brave. That night, Lila looked up at the stars and whispered, "I'm not afraid to fly alone anymore." Moral of the story, even the smallest heart can be brave. When you face your fears, you find your courage inside.